Okay, so we have done the last question of 15D also. We have completed
Yes,
the.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then note down a QRT.
Sir, what are we doing? We are going to do? Sir,
Yeah,
sir, what are we going to do?
QRT.
Okay, sir. Sir, revision?
Not revision, just a few extra questions
Okay, sir.
on the same chapter, based on the same chapter. Okay,
Good morning, sir.
Rom. Yeah, ready, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Then note down the question, everyone.
Yes, sir.
If the perimeter of a rhombus is if the perimeter of a rhombus is 40 centimeters square, 40 centimeters
Sir,
square.
please tell from starting.
Starting से बता रहा हूँ बेटा. If the perimeter of a rhombus is 40, sorry, centimeter square नहीं, only centimeters. Perimeter की unit centimeter होगी, centimeter square नहीं होगा.
सर एरिया क्या होती है
सर,
स्क्वायर?
एरिया की स्क्वायर होती है.
Yes. If the perimeter of a rhombus is 40 centimeter and one of its diagonal is 16 centimeter, then find the area of the rhombus. This is the question. Perimeter of the rhombus is 40 centimeter and one of its diagonal is 16 centimeter. Then find the area of the rhombus. Start doing it. Chaitanya Agarwal is there in the class or not? Is he there? No. Very few students. Only 15 students there in the class. तो ऐसा normally daily होता है that in the 5th or 6th period the strength of the class decreases. Does this happen every day? Now there are 16 students in the class. In the last 2 periods, the strength of the class decreases. Matlab the students attending the
Yes,
class,
sir, sometimes.
the number of students who attend the class decreases.
Yes, sir, sometimes.
Okay.
Sir, area of rhombus is similar to area of square. Excuse me, sir.
Yes, beta.
Sir, area of rhombus is similar to area of square.
No, the formula is different. The formula for area of a rhombus is different. You all know the formula of area of a rhombus? आपको rhombus
No,
की
sir.
नहीं पता है?
No, sir.
Area of a rhombus is half into product of diagonals. Half into product of diagonals.
Half into product of diagonals.
Area is equal to half into d1 into d2. d1 d2 क्या है यहाँ पे? Diagonals.
Diagonals.
Into diagonal 2. Diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. So half into d1 into d2. This is the area of a rhombus. This is the formula. अब तो easy हो गया question.
Sir, diagonals of rhombus are equal.
No, the diagonals of a rhombus are not equal.
सर दूसरी डायगोनल पता तो है क्या होगी, लेकिन सर कैसे रिटन फॉर्म में लिखा जाए वो नहीं पता.
You have to find it properly with the proper method.
Yes, sir.
Sir, with this formula, we can find the area of square also.
Yes, if you use this formula, you can find the area of a square, but the formula of area of a square is side into side. That formula you cannot use to find.
Yes, sir. S square.
Do you know the reason? Because square is a type of rhombus, but rhombus is not a type of square. All the squares are rhombus, but all the rhombus are not a square.
Okay, sir.
So we can use this formula to find the area of a square also. Yeah. Anyone giving the answer?
Sir,
Arav,
giving
beta.
just 1 minute.
Arav? Are you
Yes,
there?
sir.
How are
Yes,
you?
sir. Sir, fine.
Try not to mess up. Okay. Everything fine?
सर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही मेरे को.
मैं कह रहा हूँ बेटा, sometimes you miss the classes. Try not to
हाँ
miss
सर.
the
हाँ ओके सर, ओके सर.
okay, and everything else fine. जल्दी कर लो.
मेरे को आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही. कट कट के आ रही है बहुत.
Sir, these songs are playing in your house.
No, in Arab's house.
No sir. No sir.
Not in my house. My mic is on and the music is off.
Sir, I
Now.
send the answer.
Sir, I have also.
Sir, same here.
Alin did not correct. Mishra ji not correct. Bhavya beta not correct. No, correct answer. Mishra ji and Bhavya, correct answer. Very good.
Sir, mine is correct.
Yes, Mishra ji, your answer is correct. Bhavya, your answer is also correct. Very good. Both of you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so may I tell you this, all of you? Have you all tried it?
Yes, sir, please tell.
Okay. So
So first we have to tell the diagonal number 2 by using Pythagoras theorem and then find the area.
okay, so yeah, first of all, with the help of the perimeter, you can easily find the side of the rhombus. So I'm removing the question from here because I don't have that much space. Question हटा रहा हूँ. I'll do the solution now. So there is a rhombus. You
Sir,
know the
96 C square.
how much, Navya?
Sir, 96.
Absolutely correct answer. So this is the rhombus.
Sir, we will write centimeter square.
एरिया की यूनिट एरिया निकालना था ना. एरिया is centimeter square. 96
sir.
centimeter square. So perimeter is 40 centimeters, and we all know that in a rhombus all sides are equal. Okay. So the perimeter formula of perimeter is 4 into side. So with the help of this, you can find the length of the side. Side will be 40 upon 4. So you get 10 centimeters as the length of the side of the perimeter. Okay. Length आ गई side की 40 centimeters. Now out of the two diagonals, the length of one diagonal, suppose AC is given. Length of AC is given. How much? 16 centimeters. Am I right? 16 दी थी ना? Yes. 16 centimeters.
Yes, sir.
And now in triangle AOB, if you look at triangle AOB, we all know that this angle is 90 because अभी हमने book में भी एक ऐसा question किया था where this angle is 90. AB की length 10 centimeter मैंने आपको बताई है. AC की length was 16, तो AO की length कितनी हो जाएगी? Half of AC. So AO will be AC upon 2, so you get AO equals to 8 centimeters. AO की length आ गई 8 centimeters. Okay. Now use Pythagoras theorem to find the length of BO. BO की length भी निकाल लेंगे using Pythagoras. Okay, let's do it. Pythagoras लगा देते हैं. So in triangle AOB, AB square is equal to AO square plus BO square. AB square यानी कि 100, 10 का स्क्वायर हो गया 100. AB की लेंथ 10 है. AO square 8 square which is equal to 64. plus BO square. BO square is equal to 100 minus 64. So you get BO equal to square root of 36. That means BO की length आ गई 6 centimeters. BO की length आ गई 6 centimeters. So if BO is 6, what is the length of BD? BD की length कितनी आ जाएगी? BD will be twice of BO. 2 into BO,
Sir, 12.
6 into 2 is equals to 12.
12 centimeters. Very good. BD की length आ गई 12.
12 centimeter.
AC की length है 16. First diagonal is 16 centimeters. The other diagonal BD वो आपकी 12 centimeters आ गई. D1, D2 दोनों diagonals मुझे पता चले. Now only area is left. Area is equal to half into D1 into D2. जो फॉर्मूला मैंने आपको अभी बताया. This formula you will also study in the chapter mensuration. Mensuration तो किया हुआ है. आप लोग बोल रहे थे कि हमने mensuration किया है. We have completed the
Sir,
syllabus.
I have done in previous class.
तो
Sir, we are not done mensuration in
अरे
sixth
बेटा
class.
मैंने नहीं कराया है. अभी कुछ बच्चे थोड़े दिन पहले बोल रहे थे कि मैंने पूरा सिलेबस बुक का कर लिया है. I have done all the chapters in the book. तो
अच्छा sir.
that chapter rhombus, area of rhombus, formula for the area of rhombus is given in that chapter. I think आपको याद होना चाहिए था, बट कोई बात नहीं, मैंने बता दिया था. Area is equal to half into first diagonal is 16, half into 16, and the second diagonal BD, which is 12. So if you solve this, you get 96 centimeters square as the area. This is your answer. Clear? अच्छा है क्वेश्चन. Got it, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Note down the next one.
Sir, please tell the question.
The next question, QRT number 2. Have you all done this? I hope you will be able to do the next one now because I have explained this one. I hope you all will do it now. Some students did this one also. Very good. Those who did it on their own. And now I hope all will be able to do the next one. थोड़ा सा चेंज करूंगा बस. एक सेकंड रुक जाइए, मैं जरा कैलकुलेशन कर लूं दिमाग में अपने. Yeah. The area of a rhombus is 120 centimeters square if one of the diagonals of the rhombus is 24 centimeters, then find its perimeter. थोड़ा सा चेंज कर दिया बस. नई वैल्यूज के साथ and find its perimeter.
Sir, you have reversed the question.
हाँ, थोड़ा सा उल्टा है और थोड़ी सी वैल्यूज चेंज है. एरिया इज गिवन, डायगोनल इज गिवन, पेरीमीटर निकालना है. Yeah, you can send your answers in the chat box.
Sir, I have sent the answer.
Then not correct.
Sir, I have sent.
Mishra ji, your answer is correct. Okay, rest of you, I am giving you 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I will be telling you just 2 more minutes. Bhavya, your answer is also correct. Very good.
Sir, please repeat the question.
Kartikeya, it is written on the board. The question is written on the board. Okay. Yeah, I'm giving you 2 more minutes to do it. Yes, how many of you have done? Okay, I can see
Sir,
Arlind.
I've done and sent.
Arlind, it is not correct. Navya Goyal, your answer is correct. Very good.
Sir, I have done 3 times and but I don't know how did I did that.
Very good. You're going well. Yeah, others difficult है क्या बहुत? Is it very difficult?
सर
सबका
डिफिकल्ट नहीं है, लेकिन जब भी ट्राई करूँ गलत पता नहीं क्यों आ रहे हैं.
Yes, sir, we have to try 3 times. I mean, I have to try 3
No,
times.
sir, ये तो बहुत easy है.
ये देखिए मिश्रा जी कह रहे हैं बहुत इजी. मिश्रा जी कह रहे हैं इजी है तो इजी है.
First, we will find diagonal number 2 by using the area property, and then we will find the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is one side, and then we multiply it by 4.
Yes. Okay, so I'm telling you how to do this. Everyone, कहाँ हैं बच्चे? बाकी बच्चे कहाँ हैं? आज सो रहे हैं. लक्ष्य कुमार, सक्षम साहू, आदित्य कुमार गंगवार, कार्तिकेय, प्रांजल, आरव, अदिति. Why you all are not giving the answers? Anish Patel. अच्छा बच्चे स्टार्टिंग में थे यहाँ पे. I think they were when the class started there were 14 or 15 students in the meeting. Now there are 12.
Sir, I am here.
Yeah, you are here. नहीं, बाकी बच्चे कुछ और चले गए हैं. Starting में थे. Angel Anand was there in the starting. Now she has left.
Sir, I am not able to see your board, so I am unable to know the question.
Okay. Kartikeya, the board is not visible. I think there is some network problem. Kartikeya. Others, are you able to see the board?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Kartikeya, please check your network connection. Okay. Yeah. So there is a rhombus. It's one of the diagonals is given, which is 24. Let us assume that the diagonal AC is 24 centimeters. AC आपको 24 centimeters की मालूम है. You don't know the length of the diagonal BD, वो नहीं पता है. Area पता है. We know the area. Area is 120 centimeters square. One diagonal is given, area is given. So can I find with the help of the area formula, can I find the other diagonal of the rhombus? Yes. So what is the formula of area of a rhombus? Area is equals to half into d1 into d2.
D2.
Now we know the area. Area is 120. D1, first diagonal is 24. With the help of this, we will get the length of the second diagonal, D2. So this becomes, when you simplify, it becomes 12. 120 divided by 12 is 10. So the length of other diagonal is 10 centimeters. D2. D2 आपकी आ गई 10 centimeters. D2 मतलब BD. BD diagonal आपकी हो गई 10. Okay. The length of BD is 10 centimeters. Now, if BD is 10, now we have to find the perimeter. Perimeter पता होने के लिए we must know the side of the rhombus. We know the length of BD. Again, triangle AOB is right angle triangle. In this triangle, if we see that The length of AC is 24, तो AO आपका कितना हो जाएगा? Half of AC, that means 12. And the length of BD is 10. अभी हमने निकाला है. BD is 10. So what will be the length of BO? It will become 5 centimeters. Now using Pythagoras theorem, can we find the length of AB? Yes. First of all, आपको AC पता है, तो AO कैसे निकलेगा? AO will be half of AC. AC upon 2. So that this becomes 12 centimeters. And BO कैसे मिलेगा? BO is half of BD. BD upon 2, so this becomes 5 centimeters. Okay. BO. भगवान, इतनी गंदी राइटिंग किसी को ना दे, लेकिन इतनी गंदी किसी को ना दे. BO is equal to half of BD, which is 5 centimeters. Now AB square is equal to AO square plus BO square. So AB square is equal to AO square बोले तो 144, BO square बोले तो 25. AB is equal to square root of 169. AB equal to 13 centimeters. AB की लेंथ आ गई 13. साइड ऑफ रोम्बस हमें मिल गई है 13 सेंटीमीटर. पेरीमीटर क्या होता है? पेरीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 4 into side.
4 into sides.
4 into 13. 52 centimeters is your answer. Clear? बताइए.
सर मुझे मेरी मिस्टेक पता चल गई.
तुमने, मैं बता देता हूँ तुम्हारी मिस्टेक. तुमने हाफ नहीं करा दोनों.
यस सर, हाफ नहीं करा था.
मैं बिना तुम्हारी कॉपी देखे बता देता हूँ.
सर डबल आ गया इसका आंसर, इसीलिए.
आपकी जो साइड ऑफ रोम्बस आ रही है वो आ रही है 26 centimeters, and that is because
Yes, sir.
you have not done the half of the diagonals.
यस सर. सर 104 आ रहा था पेरीमीटर, इसलिए.
एक और क्वेश्चन पकड़ा दें इजी सा.
Excuse me, sir.
यस बेटा.
Sir, can you please tell the fourth step?
Fourth step.
So 120 equals to 1 upon 2 into 24 into.
Sorry, where? Here? This
Yes, sir.
120 is equals to half into 24 into d2. ये सॉल्व करा मैंने, डायरेक्टली लिख दिया 10 सेंटीमीटर्स. आपको यहाँ पर पहले 24 डिवाइड 24 by 2, you get 12 आएगा यहाँ पर. Then this 12 you will take to LHS. 120 it will go in divide. 120 divided by 12 is equal to 10 centimeters. Okay.
Okay, sir.
तो थोड़ा सा डायरेक्ट कर दिया था. Okay, write down the next question. You can try this question right now if time is left, or you can then
अब तो बस 2 मिनट रह गए.
then you can do this in homework. Easy है.
यस सर. सर देखते हैं हो पाएगा या नहीं.
हो जाएगा.
तो मेरे तो अभी दोनों गलत गए थे.
Third one. Perimeter of a rectangle is let me think of the values. Just wait. 42 centimeters, and perimeter of a rectangle is 42 centimeters. Okay, if the length,
So only 1 minute is left. How we will do it?
if the length, do it in interval. Length is 12 centimeters. Find
Sir, send a photograph of this.
डायगोनल इजी है, बहुत इजी है. Perimeter is 42 centimeters. If the length is 12 centimeter, the length of the length of the rectangle is 12 centimeters. आपको diagonal निकालनी है. Easy है. If you are not able to do it right now, you can try this in homework. जी.
Sir, is this easy?
Yes, it is very easy. अब तक तो एक आध आंसर भी आ जाना चाहिए था.